You playing with your phone? Whoa. Let's hang up the phone. Whoa. Whoa. Girl, you crazy with that phone. You really like the phone, don't ya? Don't hit yourself in the head with the phone, please. Holy cow, Evie. I know girls are crazy about the phone, but this is ridiculous. Whoa. Are you having fun with your phone? Yeah? Would you like to talk on the phone? Hello, Evie. Oh. Are you done? Do you like to place a call? Oh, you would like to place a call. Here, would you like to call someone? No, you just want to drive the phone. Well, it's probably cheaper that way. Okay, bye Evie. Bye.